Okay, here we are in the sewer. This is as far as I was able to get the camera, because you can see there's a ridge right there, and the camera doesn't turn down. I was able to get a glimpse down that way, and it turns and then it turns again. You can kind of see it right through there, but I'm getting held up right here. You can see I'm 113 feet. I do not have a skid on, because it was challenging to push with the skid. I couldn't get around that corner with the skid either. So there you can see better what it's actually doing. Just dropping down, it makes like an S-bend through the pipe. I'm sure I'm very close to the city main, but I just can't make that last turn. So I'll just pull back from here. Pipe's 113 feet, approximately, from the stack cleanout to my access. Partially why I'm having so much trouble getting through there. You can see cast looks really decent. There's a little bit of buildup on it, not too bad. Plenty of pitch. You see all the build up there. Probably pushed with the camera. A lot of turns, also why I'm having a little bit of trouble. Or had a little bit of trouble. Looks like some sort of object in there. And there's the ABS pipe. So 75 and a half and 112 is about 40 feet of cast. And there's a little bit of ABS. And I don't think there's a clean out through here. And it's to PVC throughout the rest of this section, 4-inch. There's not much to see through there. There's a turn. PVC pipe. It has been repaired at some point. Is ABS under the house. There is a clean out right there. You can barely see it. There is a clean out at the front of the house, under the carpet somewhere. Wasn't able to locate it, and I didn't want to pull up any carpet if I didn't have to, so ABS through the inner main, which replaced, looks somewhat recent. Toilet tie-in. Some other tie-ins through there. And that's my access.